Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is August the 31st, 2020. We're going to give you all our very first price prediction and forecast for Polkadot. Now, I know there's a lot of videos out there in the space that is speaking on how this is going to revolutionize the cryptocurrency space. So we felt like let's go ahead and talk about where will the trap try to take the value of Polkadot going forward. So this is our first video for this cryptocurrency. Now, if this is your first time watching our video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and then join us on all of our other social media platforms, specifically Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, our own website, HueFinancial.com. We are at many locations because we want to give you all a plethora of locations to where you can stay updated on the price movement that we are displaying from the trap perspective. Okay. Now, Polkadot, this particular cryptocurrency has literally just been listed on Binance not that long ago. The first historical information that we have for Polkadot was all the way back here on the 18th of August. So we have limited amount of information that we can go by for Polkadot from a daily perspective, right? But already you can see that the market is in the uptrend. So we don't need to be difficult in our logic, in our thinking as to what the market actually is feeling for this currency on the Binance exchange. Also, next thing you need to see, well, let me show it to you first, just to show you that we are seeing the market in Polkadot go higher in price. So the trend, visually easy to tell the market is in an uptrend. Next thing is you can also tell from the volume on the 25th, the 26th, and then on the 27th of August was climactic compared to the information we have. It is higher. But what was the result? What happened to the market after those 3 trading days of which we saw this massive amount of volume come through? Did the market fall? Did the market trade sideways? Did the market continue to go higher in price? You're right, the market continued to trade sideways. And now we're seeing indication that we're going to resume back up to higher price. That simple. Literally, it's that simple. Now, when you take in combination the trading action that had started on the 26th all the way to today, weakness entered. Weakness appeared in the market for Polkadot. It came through. Now, when weakness enters the market at any given time, your first presumption would be to see the market go lower. That's the first thing that needs to pop into your head. Is to let the market go lower. So right there on the 27th is where weakness entered the space. Question to you: did the market go lower? No, it did not. Did the market go higher? No, it did not. What did the market do then? It only consolidated. So now today we are noticing that the interest in higher prices for Polkadot is still there. When you look at Polkadot on an hourly time frame, and you can just literally tell that the market has been trading pretty much in line with what Bitcoin has been doing. And it's not a surprise to see the market in Polkadot come and bounce off that ascending line that we just created into the market. That's not a surprise. It's not a coincidence. Everyone sees these price charts. So you do not have a leg up as to being the one to point out as to why the market held that line. Okay, so we got 2 bounces already on this trend. So going forward, when we keep our eyes on this cryptocurrency, we're going to watch the market and see how often it bounces on this ascending line, because the more that it bounces, the more fermented the market is following that trend. Plain and simple. Next thing you can see here on the hourly chart is that the market in Polkadot is coming across some prior areas of restriction. So don't be ignorant. Do not be fooled to not expect more selling to come into the market in Polkadot. Specifically, right around $6.40 to $6.60. That's where it is. That's where you need to expect the weakness to come through. But when you look at the market on the 4-hour chart, the trap, he tried to break above that $6.40 area, and he's going to continually try it based off what ended on this last 4-hour price bar. So it's relatively simple. Once you speak to the chart, once you able to linguistically read what these price bars and volume means, you won't have to use those wasteless and pointless indicators. I mean, there's countless indicators out there that so-called tries to give you a leg up into the market when you continue to lose. But once you follow the trap, once you're able to distinguish what he's telling the market, you can follow right along with them. And that's what we're going to do here today. We're going to go with a forecast of market movement higher for Polkadot. All right. Now, we know based off that 1-hour chart that $6.40, $6.60 is restriction. So we're going to TP the market initially at that location. Yes, we are. That is going to be our forecast. All right. So $6.60 would be 3.7% profitability into the market. That's where our TP price is going to be. And then we're going to try to TP the market ultimately around $6.80. All right. Now, there will be opportunity to see this market in Polkadot break this ascending line sideways. But rest assured that that doesn't mean that the market is weak. The weakness in Polkadot would truly be revealed if we see this market break below $5.50. Okay. So, as I stated, this is our forecast into the market for Polkadot. We're still seeing hints that the trap wants to increase the value of Polkadot right now. We're going to TP at around $6.60. Ultimately, we can hit $6.80, just like we did back on the 27th of August. Now it's your turn. What's your prediction for Polkadot? Where is the market headed? Let us know. This is our premise. We want to know what yours is. Higher, lower, sideways. And also give us your TP price. Make sure you maintain a profitability. I'll talk to you all on the next one.